we zoom in here, you can see this is a carrot. It's a pretty big fat carrot. And here is the carrot's top, like the plant part, the leafy part. And as we go up, 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 we see these flowering seed heads. So they start looking more like a flower, and then they develop all these carrot seeds. And I wanted to show you this one in particular, if we can get that out here in the sun. Each one of these stems has a whole bunch of carrot seeds on it. So let's just pull off a couple of those. This is how they look when you get this in the sun. So they have little burrs on them. And so I just pulled off about 4 or 5 of those, which was just part of one of these little flower heads here, which is part of this bigger flower head, which is part of all these flower heads that grew from one carrot seed. So one seed made all of these seeds, which is amazing. So that is the fractal pattern of infinite abundance, where one seed makes 1,000 seeds, and then those 1,000 seeds will make another 1,000 seeds. So nature is truly our path to infinite abundance. And if you would like to tap into nature's infinite abundance, please visit my website at Aloha Food Forest, where I have lots of free information for you, and also an online school called Food Forest U, where you can follow the 8-step path to creating a food forest for free. So I hope that you will get excited about nature's infinite abundance and create some near you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel to help get my message out farther and farther around the world. Okay, mwah, bye.